Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see Mesh Tracker in Mocha Pro, and we will compose this shot with the help of After Effects. So here just I am going to start Mesh Tracker with Mocha Pro and After Effects. So now here I have imported our footage here. So now first create a composition from your footage. So select this footage and drag and drop in this composition icon, or you can direct drag and drop here. Okay, just select and drag and drop here or here. Okay. Now here you can see this is our timeline and this is our footage. So this footage just we have to track with the help of Mesh Tracker, and we have to place anything here. Whatever you want to place, you can place here. So now I am going to apply Mocha effects in this layer. So select this layer, then click on effects, then click on Boris effect Mocha, then Mocha Pro. Okay, now you can see Mocha Pro here. Then you have to click on this Mocha icon, continue. So now you can see here Mocha Pro 2021, because mesh tracking only available in Mocha 2021. Remember this one? So here you can see Mocha 2021. So now first we have to just create a shape where you want to place your object. Okay. So on first frame here easily we can see this area. So just here I am going to create our shape here. Then take Axis Spline tool and just create a shape. Now downside you can see different types of tracking option, translate scale, all these things. So these are I have already explained in our previous videos, all these things. So now here just we are going to track this shot with the help of Mesh Tracker. So here we have to check this Mesh Tracker option, and right side you can see these options related to our mesh settings here. By default you can see this is our default mesh here. So here by default it's showing automatic. If you will click on uniform, then remember this one, whatever option you will change here, you have to click on generate mesh, then only it will updates here. So after this we have to click here generate mesh. Now you can see uniform mesh here. I think this is better than before. So with the help of mesh size you can adjust this size box, this box like this. Okay, little bit in detail. So this is totally depends on you. So here I think 25 is sufficient. Whatever you want you can type, then you have to click on generate mesh. Remember this one, this is important. So then click on adaptive contrast. So if any contrast are changing, then you have to click on here. Now after this just I am going to track this shot. If you want you can also check on auto smooth. So here just I am going to track this mesh, then we have to click on track forward options. So easily we can see. So I think shot is tracked here. Now here if you want to check, then you can enable this stabilization options. So just I have now just play and check here. Now you can see here, okay, shot has stabilized here. So again just click here and just uncheck this one. Now after this we have to click on stabilization here, then check this mesh wrap options, then downside this is quality. So just simply click on high quality here. So before exporting, remember this one, we have to click here. So just simply click here extended surface here. So it will generate tracking data according to this frame. Then after this we have to click on file, then click on save projects. So finally you have to close this Mocha software here, then only it will update tracking data in After Effects. Okay, so just close it here. Now you can see here. Now after this I am going to compose some elements here. So first we have to take a reference frame from here. So make it Ctrl D, duplicate. Okay, so this is our reference frame, remember this one. Then on first frame, then right click, time, freeze frame here, and select this one and just simply delete from here, because this is just a still image. Okay, so because according to this I will place our object here. Then select layer and press enter and rename layer name reference frame. Okay, reference frame here. Then simply pre-comp this one, then select right click, pre-comp here, move all attribute, reference frame, then press OK here. Now we have to apply Mocha tracking data from our this video to this layer. Remember this one, we have to apply Mocha tracking data from this video to this layer. Okay, so what we have to do, select our video, then select this Mocha Pro FX, Control C, copy, and just select this layer on first frame. We have to paste, Control V. Now you can see Mocha Pro here. Now after this, just open this layer and place anything. So just I have double clicked here, then place anything whatever you want. So just I have already imported this Draken, so maybe take this one. So easily you can compose, select, as for scale you can place, rotate, all these things. So suppose here little bit if you want to adjust perspective, then you can apply corner pin, select this layer, distort, corner pin. Now you can just adjust according to this perspective. Okay, then finally hide this one because this is only for reference. Okay, now hide this one, again come in our main compositions here. So easily you can see, after this select this layer and just open module render and matte layer. Remember this one here. Then first in module layer, in module select stabilization wrap, this is important. Then we have to click on render, finally apply matte, then we have to click here apply matte. Now just play and check here. So little bit just we have to adjust here, so maybe some opacity, all these things. So suppose here if you want you can also apply maybe blending mode, so whatever you want you can change, but little bit T for opacity and you can adjust. I think this is looking good. Now here you can see this is totally looking good. Now you can see this is looking good. So like this you can place many tattoos in other position also. So if you like this video, please watch, share, comment and subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed my channel.